So, welcome back to my channel, guys. Today, meron tayong kuan ngayon, musician, vloggers, or content creators. Pictures natin ngayon, ha. So, number one to si kuan, Buboy Palad. Yan. Si Buboy Palad. Magaling mag-cover yan. Number two is si Ernesto Gutlay. Meron siya mga kasama mga sa kajuit niya, mga babae. Yan. Magaling yan. Oo. Sa mga Pinoy singers, meron din tayo dito sa magaling na musician si Edison Bartolay. Yan, magaling din ito. So, marami sila. Mayroon din tayo meron tayo sa Korea, si Ma'am Shen Music Salon. Okay. We have also from Germany, Drawn from Life, musician nito. Magaling to. So, member ko to, si John. John from Life is my member. Saka si Ma'am Fatima. I'm playing Ma'am Fatima 4 hours video right now. 3 hours video yet. Then, right here is Shil Diha Vlogs. Yan. Shout out, ma'am. Playing your video right now. Okay. And then, we have also Mateo. Sir Mateo. Yan. I'm playing 3 hours. Oh my god, this is so long. But it's okay. Let's try to play 3 hours or 2 hours maybe. Playing Ma'am Fatima kuan 3 hours video. Yan. That's a 3 hours video. This is my member. Okay. Ma'am Shen. Right now I'm playing one of my favorite He Jude, yeah, from the Beatles. Yan. So right now I'm playing Ma'am Shen video. Then let's go back to the kuan. Pictures natin. Drawn from Life number ito yung kanta na kuan ko, gusto ko. I-play ko yan. Ito kay Buboy Palad. Okay, right now let's watch Buboy Palad. Okay. Ito siguro mahal magtiis ako. Yan, ito. Let's play Buboy Ernesto Gutlay. Kailangan natin mag-play ng mayroon siyang kasamang kuan. Ito lang. Ito sana. Hindi pa play. Ito na lang. Yan. Shout out Ernesto Gutlay. Shout out Buboy Palad. Yan. Kasi Drawn from Life. Yan. I'm playing their videos right now. So, I'll go on. Hey Jude from Ma'am Shen. Let's try to I will share this video. Yeah. Sinishare ko. Lagyan ito ng heart. Yan. We love your music, ma'am. And thank you for always giving us the blessing. Beatles. Yan. So, I love Beatles music. So I chose this one. Awesome. Okay. So si Mateo nandiyan na. Mateo. Nandiyan pa si Den Hablag at saka si Ma'am Fatima. Yan. So right now, nandiyan na si Ernesto Gutlay. Loading pa. Kaya mo na ito. So, ito yung trip natin. Green mango. Yan. Hindi na ako kakain ng bagoong kasi I have asthma. Ito nga, unboxing ako kayo na unpacking ako ng kuhan ko sa asthma. Kapil lang muna tayo. Okay. So, nag-play tayo kay Ernesto Gutlay. Yan. Tapos si Palad, Buboy Palad yan, si Buboy Palad. Kasi yan na si Lakihantan. Yan. Doon sa big screen. Si Drone from Life. Yan ang video niya. Kasi medyo lang, kasi loading. Naglo-loading pa. Ito si ibig screen natin na. Si Buboy Palad. So, yan. Shen is still playing the Hijud. Yes, Boy Palad yan. Don't worry guys, naka-play yan. Medyo lang, loading. Okay, loading siya. Anyway, that's it. Meron ng mga langgam or ants. Yan, kumakain din sila. They're having a party. Mukbang. So ito na yung this one is the banana. This is the kamote, the sweet potatoes. The yellow one, the purple. This is the banana, turon. Let's try the turon. This one. Banana turon. This one is ants. There's a lot of ants. Okay. Yan, maganda na siya. Buboy. Okay. Buboy Palad. yung saging ayaw pakain na. Here's the banana turon. So Boy Palad is now playing. What? Then we also na the play. Ano si Ernesto Gutlay. Yan. Loading lang. Maya konti. Ongoing playing nandiyan yan. Yan. Grabe sarap oh. Banana turon. Luto ng anak to. So, thank you for watching guys. Pabayaan ko lang yan, naka-play na yan.